you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Madam Rose in a different bag this time, but this is Madam Rose for April. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Madam Rose for April just arrived. They are normally in their bright pink box, but today it is in more of a rose gold padded envelope. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Madam Rose, for sending me your box to show my viewers, or bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. I also do need to disclaimer, this is what I call my after hours segment. This is 18 and older. This is more of a tasteful box that you could have lingerie, sometimes toy items. You never know what is going to be in here. So I am going to disclaimer, this is for 18 and older. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in April's box. Again, this did throw me off being in this mailer bag, but if it saves on shipping, then great. So let's go ahead and see what's, oh, it's like still wrapped in their pink tissue paper. Let's pull it out. So it is wrapped. It still has the sticker on here though. And it says baby doll, SheCrafty. I do like that they do put your name there. It gives it a little bit of personalization when you do open it. And then when you remove that, ooh, okay, everything's gonna fall out, and they do have the petals are still thrown in here as well. So kind of a little sneak peek will be right there. I don't want to get these petals everywhere. Okay, so here's the card that they always put in there, are really pretty. And on this side, we'll go over the products and what the pricing is. It says the theme is White Bunny. Oh, the beginning of this month was Easter. The beginning of this month though was Easter. So let's go ahead and see. It says you choose monthly or seasonal. We truly value our baby doll's opinion. Madam Rose wants to know how you feel about us updating our monthly Grand Rose subscriptions into seasonal Grand Rose subscriptions. That means 4 bigger and better boxes a year for just $55 per box. I actually do like that. I think I even mentioned it to them. It would be great if they did a seasonal box because not everybody wants lingerie every single month. So I think that's a really great idea. So they do have a saying that they're wanting people's input and to know if it should be monthly or seasonal. So if you guys think it should go to seasonal, put it down in the comment section below so then they can go through them and see what you guys would like to see if you think this should go seasonal. I do. I think it would be great seasonally, but that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and see what's going to be in this April box. So the first thing right on top, it says high quality material. Makeup sponge. Okay, it's a makeup sponge right there. And this right here says Easter egg beauty sponge, the best Easter egg for your makeup basket, valued for $12. I do think that that is really cute that they put in like this little Easter egg style makeup sponge for this box. That's super cute. So then it looks like there's little feet. You can just set it down and it will hold your sponge. So it's cute that it comes with a holder. I have a hair on my arm and that's gonna drive me crazy. There we go, fucking little bitch. So that is super cute that you can just set it there and you have your makeup sponge, and it's silicone. So if you are using it and it's wet, you can set it in here and it's not gonna get anything that it's sitting on wet or dirty or anything like that. And then you can clean this out because it is silicone. So I think that's cute. So there's a makeup sponge in a cute little basket. And it has even little ears on the package. Super cute. So again, that's valued for $12. So then now we have we have a headband. Hold on, I got petals flying everywhere. So we have a headband. It looks like a little headband too. This right here says bunny ears headband. No. But that's what it says. This super soft and cute bunny ear headband is the perfect pair to your makeup sponge, valued for $16. This is a bow. That's not a bunny ear. So I don't know if they put the wrong item in here or if the description on there is a little incorrect. But this is definitely not bunny ears. That is a bow. And it has like little pearls on it. But it's a little like, this looks like one that you'd put on to keep your hair back if you're doing your makeup or your skincare routine. It has a little tag on there. It says Chloe, I believe. Yeah. But there is a headband. So I don't know what the value of this is because this is definitely not bunny ears. No ears about it. Just a bow. Okay. So then now we have is, I don't know what in the world this here is, but before I open it, let me find it. This says, oh, this is a vibrating anal plug. All bunnies have tails. So this is your cotton tail. It says, here's our adult twist on your bunny tail. Holy moly, that is what this is supposed to be. Here comes Peter Cottontail vibrating down your bunny trail. The fuck? If you are into anal things, no shame, to each is your own, but I do not have anything go near that area. That, to me, that's an exit only. So this is not going to be used. I'm not going to be playing bunny tail with this guy. All right, about here, nothing goes near there. That is not something for me. That would be nice though when they ask you the questions, if they put something about anal, because I think there was something else that came in this box before that was like a anal plug or something. So I think 2 times so far, there's been something for your booty area, and I'm not all about that. So it would be nice in their profile when they ask you questions, if they ask you something about like if you like things, you know, about this, if you like anal type things, yes or no. So then they know what to put in your box or not, because this is like a personal preference, I kind of believe. I don't think everybody is going to want this type of a cottontail for Easter. I'm just saying. But again, if that's what you're into, no shade nowhere. And to each is your own. This is my own personal preference, and I don't play with that hole. That one does not get played with. But that says it's valued for $22. And if you want a close up on what it kind of looks like, there's a little cottontail. Vibrating down your bunny trail. Or in your bunny trail. You know, that's just not my forte. Sorry, but it's not. And then the item inside of here will be the lingerie item. It says white bunny teddy. Ooh, that sounds like it's going to be cute. Let's see. It looks like a bodysuit. It even has like sleeves. So it looks like a bodysuit, and it goes all the way down. Is there a hole back there? No. So good. I was like, is there a hole for your bunny? your bunny tail. There's no hole. But I do like the fact that this is, you can remove it, because the first thing I'm thinking is, how are you going to get some easy access? There's your easy access. You just pull your thing open and you're in. And you're in. This is really cute though. I think it's really pretty. It looks kind of like, I don't know. And you have like a bodysuit. I like the lace detail on it. I think that's what, it's not looking like a lingerie item to me. I think this just looks like part of like a top of a shirt or something. I don't know, but it's really cute. It's definitely different. That's for sure. It's definitely different. And then the back is just all netted. You can see through it, but there's no design or anything to the back side. All of your design work and everything is all on the front. So there's that. This one right here says white bunny teddy. Bring out your inner Playboy Easter bunny with the white cotton and lace teddy. That is really cute though, that they did go with the whole theme like a bunny. The only thing is that maybe it should have been in last month's box, so you would have it for this entire month, because Easter was in the beginning of the month and they send their box towards the end of the month. Like I just got it. We're in the last week of this month. So it would have been nice to have in case you maybe wanted to dress up on Easter and have your own little Easter party, you know, indoors, behind closed doors. That would have been really neat. But now we have it after Easter. You know what I mean? Just a little suggestion. But I think it's really cute. And I do really like that they went with the bunny theme. These are definitely not bunny ears. So if this was a bunny ears that went on here, and then if there was like some stockings or something, that would have been really cool. But I have just regular headband that's pink that doesn't match, and I have an anal vibrating plug that I would never use, and a makeup sponge that's shaped like a bunny. I like the theme. I like some of the items that came in this, but I just think that maybe it should have came last month. So you would have it for April, like all of April. So you'd have it for Easter, you know, but that's my own opinion. But again, you guys comment down below and let them know, what would you like? Do you think they should stay monthly? Do you think they should be seasonally? Or do you think they should offer both? Let them know so they can read your comments and know what, you know, some other feedback from you guys as well. That would be great. So that is everything that came in this April's box, you guys. If you do want to know a little bit more information about them as now for this monthly box, this one is $34.99. They're all exclusive for the lingerie items I do like, and they go from small to 5X. And each month will be a different theme. So you get new lingerie plus lifestyle, maybe a toy, that kind of thing. But it's always a little bit of different items that you get along with the lingerie item. But they do have a shop if you want to just purchase a few individual items. They even sell their lingerie items individually on their website. If you don't want to go straight to the subscription, you can use code SheCrafty to get $5 off your first month's box, and you will receive one free extra item in your first month's box as well as like a welcome gift. So that is really cool. So that is everything about this box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this particular month, and what did you think of the items that were in this particular month with all of the items that were in this month's box. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.